Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input. This option should be on the 4th position, and here let's enter the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got English, and I have no idea how to read it. So we've got also another language from Tanzania. And so in order to add new one, just tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do in order to pick the language is to simply find it and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish. And as you can see, we just go back to this list, but the English language is still a main one. So if you want to set particular language as a default, you have to move it to the 1st position. So let me tap on the Turkish, tap on it and hold it, and so, as you can see right now, we can move it. So let's drag it to the very 1st position. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again, but this time switch to English, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the 1st position. And as you can see, the English has been applied. So this is how to change the language. And if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we can mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon, remove, and we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.